Guys, today I'm gonna find out how flexibility her level is starting right now. Go, 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 go. Okay, put your one foot there. But this is so easy. What? Can you reach that? Okay. What? Too flexible. What? Me. Let me see. Ouch. Oh. Ow! Ow! You did it! Girl. Okay ka lang. So my sister needs a rest because she folded on the flexibility. She is resting. Because she fell on the flexibility. Because I'm girl. It's okay. I'm not jealous.